Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Steve. If you are new here, you're welcome. To all my returning subscribers, I love you all so much and I appreciate all your love and support. Today I'm going to be making ogbono and okra, so if you're interested, of course you're interested, then please watch to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. For this soup you will need ogbono, some dry fish, some okra, pepper, crayfish seasoning cube, onion, salt, palm oil, seasoning, meat. So I'm going to start by cooking the meat. Just transfer everything into a bowl. I'm going to add seasoning cube, another one, seasoning powder, I'm going to add some onion, I'm going to add salt as well. Then I'm going to pour in 1 cup of water. Check the description box below to see the full list of ingredients used in making this soup, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment, like and share with your friends. So we're going to cover that, place that on the heat and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is what it's looking like. I'm going to stir everything together. I'm going to add 2 cups of water to complete this, to cook this meat well. This is cow rib, so it does take time to cook. So I'm going to cover that. I'm going to start cooking again. In total, I cooked this meat for 30 minutes. So I don't know, maybe in your cooker it might be less or more. I don't know. Just keep an eye on it. So after I cooked the meat, I separated the meat from the stock, and I'm going to use the same pot to start cooking. So I'm just placing the pot on the heat. Then I'm going to add some oil, some palm oil, not granite oil. I'm going to just allow the oil to heat up just a little bit. Then I'm going to transfer in my ogbono. I'm not frying this ogbono. I'm just making sure to remove every lumps that might come off. So that is why now I switched over to my cooking spoon. I'm going to use the back of this cooking spoon to just smooth everything out. Then I'm going to add about 1 cup of water, and then I'm going to mix that again. Then I'm going to pour in the meat stock, the meat that we cooked earlier. Here is the water that we got from it. Then I'm going to stir that. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes, okay. After 10 minutes, this is what it's looking like. The ogbono is cooked. So I'm just going to add my pepper, my crayfish. I'm going to add the remaining. I'm going to add ogbono. Ogbono is really important for making Nigerian soups. For me, I don't know for you, but for me it's just like my secret ingredient. It's so beautiful. The aroma it gives to dishes just makes it divinely. So you might want to consider getting that to your kitchen. So I'm going to add the remaining part of my seasoning powder. Then I'm going to add the dry fish, and then the meat that we cooked earlier. Yeah, that one. She was resting, but now it's her time to work. So I'm just going to stir everything together. Look at that soup. Isn't that looking so beautiful? Don't you feel like cooking it down? After, I'm going to cover this soup and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is what my soup is looking like. At this point, it's basically ready. You can eat it just like this, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and add my okra. Then I'm going to add my onion. Onion is also very optional, but it brings out the taste of this soup. Trust me, you don't want to miss that. Then I left it on the heat to simmer for 1 minute. After 1 minute, this is what my soup is looking like. The okra is well ready, active and alive, just the way I like it. I don't want it to be dead because I'm going to store this soup for 2 days. And that is all for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.